Okay, so AP Calculus, differentiation without using the quotient rule. I realized Jason and I wrote derivatives, but they're the same thing, aren't they? So that works out pretty good. What I'd like to prove out here, a problem like this came from this kid in Pittsburgh, um, who said, can a problem like this be done without using the quotient rule? So we did this problem already using the quotient rule, didn't we? And here's that mess, isn't it? We did all this work, Billy, got to the very end, and here's our answer, isn't it? What I want to show you, Elsa, is that sometimes you can get lucky, and it just shows up, and you can fix this. So this is all I'm going to do first. I'm just looking at this. The bottom looks really simple, and that's why I'm messing with it. If if the denominator looked more complicated than it does, I probably wouldn't mess with it. But it looks really simple, so I'm like, you know what? I wonder if I can get a little cheat here. So what I'm doing is this. I'm looking at this piece right here, then I'm going to simplify this piece right here, and then this piece right here. Is that all right? So this is what I think I have. We have 2x squared over x is what? It's just 2x. Negative 3x over x is negative 3. 1 over x is positive x to the negative first power. Now, doesn't this look like a product rule? I'm sorry, not a product rule, but a sum and difference rule problem? And doesn't this look really easy to differentiate? Next question, how much time did we spend going through the quotient rule to solve this problem? A couple minutes, right? So in this case, also, I'm just saying, what if we take this and say we just redefine this? This is h of x, isn't it? Just put it into a different form. Now differentiate. So I'm going to differentiate from here, and what are you going to get? First derivative of 2x? 2. First derivative of negative 3? 0. First derivative of x to the negative second power? Negative x to the... Don't forget, right, Joel? I'm going to take this piece right here, buddy. Right? Take this piece. This is a 1 right here, isn't it? Negative 1 times 1 is this negative 1 right here, isn't it? Then we're going to decrement, right, the exponent. So decrease that by 1 and we get negative 2, don't we? So we get 2 minus x to the negative second power. Wow. That was not a gunshot. That was not a gunshot. Wow, Billy, you scared the crap out of somebody. He was trying to wake up Mr. Tan. He didn't even move. He didn't budge. He just stayed like he was. Nothing. He's super Davey. Dun, dun, dun. Davey, look at this answer. You like this answer? Is it your favorite answer today? If we go back and look, check that out. Same answer. Which one took more time? Quotient rule or the way we just did it? I think the quotient rule took a lot more time, so it's one of those things. All right? I get all lost and stuff.